Hello friends, my name is Afrin Fatima. I am studying class 10th B. Today we talk about the human respiratory system. Let's begin it. Where does the air go when we breathe? You might say it goes to lungs. Well, yes, it is correct. The air is passes through the respiratory tract and then enters the lungs. So let's explore the features of the parts human respiratory system. The air is entered the human body through nostril, which they passes through the nasal passages. The air is filtered by a specialized hair-like structure called cilia. The cell of this nasal cavity secretes mucus, which helps to trap dust particles, moisture in the air, and provides warmth. The nasal cavity opens into a much wide cavity called the pharynx. The pharynx is a common passage from air and food. It is easily visible when you open your mouth wide, the region behind. Pharynx has a cartilaginous flap-like structure called epiglottis. This epiglottis closes the windpipe when swallow the food. It prevents the entry of the food in the windpipe. So while swallowing, the epiglottis is partially closed. Followed by pharynx is called larynx, the voice box. The air is passes through 4-inch long tube-like structure called trachea. The trachea is often referred to as the windpipe. It carefully observes the structure. There are many C-shaped cartilaginous rings present on the trachea. What do you think is a function these rings? These rings to prevent collapsing to the windpipe from collapse. Lungs. Close to the lungs, the windpipe divides into two tubes. The single tube bronchi called. Each of the tube enters the respiratory system lungs. Each of the tube enters the respiratory lungs. On entry the lungs, its bronchi further divided secondary bronchus, which further divided finally tube called tertiary bronchus. Much find out bronchioles. As per repeated bronchi, the bronchioles ultimately enter the cluster of tiny air-sucked structure called alveoli. Alveoli and are often preferred to air sacs. The alveoli lie surrounding by with blood vessels. They are the actual four sites gases exchange. The talking about respiratory organ lungs. The lungs are the pairs of air-celled spongy organ located in the chest cavity. Carefully observe the size of the lungs. The right lungs is larger than the left lungs. Can you think why it is so? It provides space to accommodate the heart. To controlling the base of the heart is slightly tilted to the towards the left. Thus, space it provides by the left lungs, the lungs protected by rib cage. Thus, that's it all about the respiratory systems and thank you about it.